Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queendashe, also known as Kiana. This video is actually a lot shorter than I anticipated. A lot of footage has kind of just not made it because I didn't realize I wasn't recording or something like that. So this video is a little bit shorter, but at least I have a little bit of a video for you guys. I am going to be cleaning my bathroom downstairs, cleaning my living room, dining room, and cleaning my kitchen. And then we are going to head upstairs to get some laundry put away and folded and everything. So I hope you guys are ready for this little bit of my laundry and cleaning motivation. And I hope you guys enjoy it.
Lay with me, if only for a moment, only for a while. I regret letting you go, and you were mine. I thought I'd be fine, but now my heart don't feel right, and this pain doesn't go away. If I could turn back time, I would've never let you down, 'cause now I wait for you to say.
It truly is a struggle to vacuum this carpet. It takes me forever to vacuum this carpet. I'm really considering just getting a different vacuum for the carpet. I don't know. I really have to talk to my husband about it and just really do some looking around and searching. But we are going to get this kitchen put together. The kitchen isn't too bad, but it definitely needed a little cleaning up.
I haven't heard from you in so long, I'm starting to forget what you sound like. 'Cause now that it's over, I'm by myself. I thought I'd be fine, but no more. My heart don't feel right, and this pain doesn't go away. If I could turn back time, I would've never let you down, 'cause now I wait for you to say. Kinda simple, kinda wishful about things. And you're kinda simple, but like a pistol, you fire. Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back, cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about the drunk nights, bragging in the glory. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You do it right. Hold me tight when I need it. And you always like what I like we know each other. But sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back, cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Don't you get it? Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of.
And now we are upstairs. I'm just going to put away the stuff that was downstairs on my couch, and then we are going to get up to folding all of this laundry. It basically is the sheets and everything from me doing my previous video. If you haven't watched that, I will link it in the iCards or in the description below. But I did change all of our bed sheets and clean them, so this is basically just those sheets, and I am just going to fold them up and get everything put away.
My love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Not sure what I expected. To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know we better end it. I said it more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kinda toxic, babe.
And we are reaching the end of this video. I hope you guys really did enjoy it. I know it was a short one, but there is so much more motivation that is going to be coming your way in the next coming videos. So I hope you guys are ready for it. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and if you are not subscribed yet, please make sure you do, and really do consider. I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Peace.
I know that I messed up, wish I could take it back.